Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open JSON files. First, understand that JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. We'll cover several straightforward methods to access and view the content within these files, ensuring you can always get to your data. One of the simplest ways to open a JSON file is with a standard text editor. Programs like Notepad on Windows, TextEdit on Mac, or even more advanced options like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code will display the raw text. These editors are perfect for quick views and minor edits, especially if the file isn't too large or complex. For better readability, especially with larger or more complex JSON files, consider using your web browser or an online JSON viewer. Simply dragging a JSON file into a browser tab often formats it nicely. Online tools can also validate your JSON, ensuring it's correctly structured, and present it in a much more organized, collapsible view. For developers or those working with very large JSON datasets, integrated development environments like PyCharm or IntelliJ IDEA provide powerful tools for viewing, editing, and debugging. You can also use programming languages such as Python or Java script to parse and interact with JSON data programmatically. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home tech setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.